Main Stage 1. A. Listen and choose what Robin did during the vacation.
Hey, Robin. How was your vacation?
It was great, Blake. I went camping with my family.
Cool. What did you and your family do?
We went bird watching. Then, we built a campfire and roasted marshmallows.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah, it was. How about you?
I did a lot of activities. I took taekwondo, art, and swimming lessons.
Oh, nice. Which one did you like best?
My art lessons were the best. I really like drawing.
I like drawing too. I should take art lessons next vacation.